This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, February 28th. Stock index futures were a little bit higher in the overnight trade due to better than expected corporate earnings. However, some of the economic reports coming in a bit on the weaker side, putting some pressure on stock index futures more recently. I would not be surprised to see a move at least back to higher on today. Some of these reports, for example, the February Chicago PMI was weaker at 43.6 when 45 was anticipated. We had the consumer confidence report coming in quite a bit weaker than expected at 102.9. The estimate was 108.5. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index trading a little bit lower and actually rolling under an uptrend line, so there may be some further technical selling today in the dollar index. Also, the Eurocurrency trading a little bit higher as we hear more talk that the European Central Bank may be hiking by as much as 50 points at their upcoming March meeting. And in the interest rate futures markets, we're seeing futures steady to a little higher at the front of the curve, lower at the long end, but a bit of a bounce off the lows with most of these U.S. reports coming in a little bit on the soft side. Still looks like the Fed will be hiking at the next meeting. In fact, there's a strong possibility, according to financial futures markets, that there could be 3 more rate hikes coming of 25 basis points each. I'm inclined to think that we will not see that many. Either way, the interest rate futures markets are oversold, and I think we can see a bit of a bounce from these current levels today across the board in the interest rate futures market. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.